I have some amazing news. The new version of Pocket Option Auto Trader is out. The new version is Alpha 1.9 Tailspot is a complete upgrade of everything, and its everything is taken to the next level with artificial intelligence to update every single strategy to the max. This version is now live in the Chrome store. Just if you have the bot from before, just go in and push update. If you don't have it, you find link about the video tags and link below the video at YouTube. It's completely for free, this binary option robot. In this video I will take a few trades so you can see how amazing this binary option robot is. So if you find that interesting also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. I will now set a profit target of $3,000 and let's see which type of win rate we get with this brand new binary option robot. So with that, let's start the robot. So now let's start the bot. What he's doing now, he's collecting all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards he will collect everything he needs from the indicator that is super optimized with AI indicators we are using. Also, I forgot to mention, this bot you will find it both for desktop and for cell phone. If you choose to start with the cell phone, doesn't mean you can't use desktop, you can use both of them. By the way, the first trade it turned into a loss. That is completely fine. We have now 1 win, 1 losses. We have a 50% win rate till now. We have 67% win rate. We have a $1,584 profit. We have now 3 wins, 1 loss, 75% win rate. And there we got it. In a matter of seconds, we have 4 wins, 1 loss, 80% win rate, $3,240 profit. So, if you like this type of profit and you want to run this completely for free binary option robot for yourself, for cell phone or for desktop or both if you want both, one login and you can use both of them. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.